How to add vinyl effects on your voice audio on CapCut app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Just go to CapCut. As you can see, this is the home page. Now all what you have to do is click new project right here, or choose from your drafts right here. And now after you choose your video, for example I'm gonna choose this one. Now all what you have to do is click on your audio like this, click on it 2 times like this, and click voice effects. Now after you click voice effects, swipe right like this until you find the vinyl effect. As you can see, now click on it and it's applied on my audio. Now click save from here and everything will be done. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.